What is going on, everyone? In today's video we are going to show you how to buy Cardano ADA on Coinbase. So what we will do, log into your account on coinbase.com, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. For now, what we want to do, we want to buy Cardano ADA, and we will click on buy and sell. Click on that, and after that you can see this section. What we want to do, basically you can set up some things. You can click on one-time purchase. If you want to change that and repeatedly buy this coin, you can simply select one of these options. Choose wisely because it keeps buying after you have selected it. For now we keep it on one-time purchase, and we would like to select the asset we want to buy. For now we don't want to buy Bitcoin, we want to buy Cardano. And after that, you simply can scroll a little bit down, and there you will see Cardano. If you are looking for an asset but you don't like to scroll down the list, just simply tick in Cardano, click on that, and it will be selected. So once you have selected the asset you want to buy, you can select the wallet which you want to use for the payment. For now, I will select my Euro wallet. You see there is no balance on my wallet, so it will display a notification that I first have to top up my Euro wallet. For now, I don't do this because I will just show you how to buy. If you want to buy a certain amount of Cardano, you simply click on this option, the pricing, and fill in your amount of euros or dollars you want to use to buy Cardano. Let's say you want to buy for 150 euros of Cardano ADA, then you can fill in that, and after that you can simply click on this button. At my screen there is saying top up Euro wallet, but if you have enough funds on your wallet, you simply can click on buy now, and it will purchase the Cardano coin at the price action there is at the moment. So be aware of that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers guys, bye bye.